Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. If you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you need to remove or replace purge control valve, you need to see where it's located. Stay with us, we will cover all that today. Everything from start to finish. Also make sure to stay until the end. We will explain what you need to do to actually test purge control valve and find out if it's good or bad. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we have here. Now what you will need to do guys, we remove the intake hose right here, the intake hose and the air filter box. Practically, you do not have to remove the air filter box, you can only remove the intake hose, but if you want to see how to do that, we're going to include it so we can free a little bit more room and get to there, because otherwise it's almost impossible guys, to get to that point. So with that being said guys, look at it now with the air, intake hose removed. That's your purge control valve right here. How you get to it, we have one clip right there that we need to pull down. We can pull that wiring harness up, and we can gain a little bit of room that way. Now we need to start removing the hoses guys to the you can see to that purge valve. So with pliers get it loose. Now it's very important not to break it. We're going to attempt. Now we need to see which way we can get that thing loose. That hose, it got loose. Let's see if we can pull it out without breaking the purge valve. Be careful not to pry too much with a screwdriver or something. The hose came out, perfect. Now the same thing needs to be done towards the back side. You have one more hose that we need to disconnect, and you can kind of see where it is. Right there. Right there, yep. Get that clamp, get it loose. Now we're going to get that hose and pull that one out. One of the hoses is where it brings the fuel vapors from the fuel tank, from the canister, and then it injects it in the intake manifold from there, past the throttle body, so you can burn that extra fuel vapors guys and not pollute the atmosphere, and you're not losing fuel. We need to disconnect the wiring harness, that thing right here, press down and release it. Perfect. Now let's see guys, that thing needs to slide out. It needs to slide out, but it will be stuck really bad, and we're going to explain what we're going to do to actually get it out. So that thing could be stuck really bad. I think it's supposed to have a tooth on the bottom. Ours looks like it's broken or doesn't have one. But it's coming loose now guys. It's hitting right here a little bit. In that pipe I can see right here. So we need to bring it down a little bit. That's what was the problem with ours. It comes out. Now let's get it out of here, and we're going to explain what was holding it guys. Now we need to pull it out of this hose. It's a little bit inconvenient, but it's doable. That's the purge valve. Check it out. This is the tooth guys, towards the back right there. So what was holding it guys, that metal piece, right here, you need to push it down in the middle, you can see, or you need to grab a little bit and pry up and it's going to come out, but that's it, right here. And if for some reason you cannot remove it, you have one 12mm bolt that you can remove and probably it will come out with it. And this is the purge valve guys. Now if you want to see how to test purge valve, on Hyundai Sonata, how to test it, how to find out if it's good or bad, we're going to have the video on our channel that's going to teach you how to do that, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.